Just in case you needed more proof that jobs in tech market are transient, or if you thought that you were indispensable at your company or that your job was somehow safe, just look at what's happening at Amazon. And this is not the first time. Since 2022, Amazon has laid off tens of thousands of employees over and over again across multiple different cycles. And most recently, they announced another 16,000 people being let go. And that's not the only company that's laying off people. There are a lot of other tech companies which are silently laying off people as well. It does not matter how well your company is performing. It does not matter how well your team is doing. Jobs are transient. And that is exactly why I keep emphasizing the importance of building a strong personal brand as a tech professional. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Everything that you do inside a company is optimized to get you promoted inside that same company. It is not designed to build credibility outside of it. So when something unfortunate happens, a layoff, a reorg, a role elimination, you suddenly find yourself in a limbo. Your expertise lives inside internal decks, internal systems, and internal conversations. There is nothing tangible that the outside world can see, evaluate, and trust. And that makes finding your next role significantly harder. This is why I encourage people to build a strong personal brand. And no, this does not mean becoming an influencer or a full-time content creator. That is not the goal. The goal is simple. It is documentation. Document what you're learning, document the skills that you're building, and document the problems that you're solving. I fully understand that many of you work on sensitive or confidential projects. You cannot share internal details, and you shouldn't. But the skills that you're learning can absolutely be translated elsewhere. You can build side projects, you can work with non-profits, you can collaborate with universities, and you can build passion projects. The point here is to make your skill tangible and visible. The other critical piece here is your network. Your internal leadership and your immediate team are important, but they are not enough. You need a network outside of your company. People who know your work, people who trust your expertise, and people who can vouch for you when you need your next opportunity. So let me give you a few very tangible things that you can actually do. First, build your network in person, not just online. Attend events in your field, go to meetups, go to conferences, be in the rooms where decision makers and experts are present, even if it means for you to buy a conference ticket. Being physically present builds trust much faster than any online interaction ever will. Second, be an educator in your field. This is a core pillar of a strong personal brand. Share what you know, share your perspective, write authentic posts on LinkedIn, publish blogs on Substack, speak at meetups, join panels or run workshops, whatever it takes. And no, I don't mean to post every single day, but whenever you can, just do it. And third, ship something serious outside of your 9 to 5. I'm not talking about half-baked side projects or weekend experiments that you end up abandoning, but you need to ship real work. Projects that demonstrate your depth and reflect the skills that you claim to have. This is what turns experience into proof. At the end of the day, a strong personal brand is not about vanity. It is not about follower count. It is about career insurance. Because when jobs are transient, your reputation, your skills, and your network should not be transient. That is how you stay resilient in an unpredictable job market.